Hi, in this video we'll see how to work with Excel's date manipulation functions. We have a list of some invoices issued by our company to our customers. In the first column, column D, first blank column, we can find the due date based on our payment term, and also we can find the payment term by completing the due date. In the first phase we will use the payment term. So let's say that customer 1 has 30 days payment term. I will copy. Customer 2 has 45 days, and customer 3 60. So this will be here also, and for customer 4 we have 90. So 90 days for customer 4, 60 for customer 3, 45 for customer 2, and 30 days for customer 1. That means we can find the due date. We will add these days to our invoice date. For this we'll make a simple sum equal date plus 30 days. E2 will add to C2, and you'll see that we have now the due date for each customer, for each invoice, just adding the payment term. Now we can see that the format of the date remains the same. Now we want to make another way by finding the payment term based on due date, and for this we will put some random date. So let's say 15th of April, then we'll say 13 November, 10 of July, 20 May, 7, let's say April again, and then we'll put 21, let's say September. Now we have two dates, the invoice date and the due date, and we want to find the payment term of each invoice for each customer, and for this we will make a simple formula equal due date minus invoice date. So we find out the payment term, the exact payment term. Now, taking consideration this information, we want to find out how many credit days we have today. So we will use today function to find out the credit days that we offer to our customers, to each customer. And for this we're gonna use today function equal today, and I will open the bracket and close the bracket. This is the simple way of finding today's date. So if I hit enter, you will find the date. Now I will use this function to find out a number of days that we offer to our customers. So credit days will be equal with today minus invoice date, because in this moment we will consider that the invoice is still unpaid. Hit enter. Now as you can see, there is a strange format because we have a date in our formula today. So for this I will just click Ctrl+Shift+1 and then I will cut the decimals. I will copy the formula, and as you can see, we have now the credit days that we offer to our customers by simply use today function. Now we will play with some dates where we have, let's say, another customers and another invoices, but for us it's important to play with day, month and year functions. So when you have a date and you want to extract the day or the month and also the year, you can use each function. First one, equal day, press tab, select the cell where you have the date and close the brackets. I will copy the formula and then I will go to column E where we have the month, equal month, press tab, select again the cell that contained our date and copy the formula. And I will do the same thing for year function, equal year, press tab and select the date. Now as you can see, I have splitted each part of our date by day, month and year. In this way we can use the format of our date for different files or different type of Excels. For example, I have with point between our columns, but many of Excels use the date format with slash. So we will simply use a concatenate formula that will help us to transform our date in a new format. So equal, we will start with month. So we have E2, then we will use ampersand for linked all our informations from concatenate function, and also we will use quote slash and then again. Now we want to have day, so D2, again we'll put slash quotes, and the last one it's year. If I hit enter, you will see that we obtained a new format of the date, which is quite often found. So for now it's our choose how to use the date in each format by using concatenate function. So to see the difference between concatenate function and ampersand symbols, I will write concatenate tab month, first argument, the second will be under quoting slash, then day, also quoting slash, and year. And as you can see, we have the same results. So you can play with your date format by many ways.